In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or enable hardware acceleration in Opera browser. Hardware acceleration is a built-in feature that allows Opera to use your computer's graphics hardware to help process certain tasks more efficiently. This can improve performance when browsing websites, watching videos, or using graphics-intensive web applications. However, if you're experiencing display issues, screen flickering, or other performance problems, you may want to disable this feature to see if it resolves the issue. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the setting and how to turn it on or off. To get started, open the Opera web browser on your PC. Once the browser is open, click on the Opera icon located in the top left corner of the window. This will open the main browser menu, where you can access Opera's settings and other browser features. From the menu, click on Settings to open the browser's settings page. Inside the Settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find the System section. This section contains settings related to how Opera uses your computer's hardware and system resources while the browser is running. Within the System section, look for the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the setting that controls hardware acceleration in Opera browser. If you want to enable hardware acceleration, simply turn the toggle on. When enabled, Opera will use your computer's graphics hardware whenever it's available to help improve performance for supported tasks. If you would rather disable hardware acceleration, simply turn the same toggle off. Disabling this option makes Opera rely more on your computer's processor instead of the graphics hardware for supported browser tasks. This can sometimes help resolve compatibility issues or display-related problems on certain systems. After changing the setting, Opera may prompt you to restart the browser so the change can take effect. If that prompt appears, simply restart the browser to apply your new hardware acceleration setting. Once Opera opens again, the selected option will be active and the browser will use the updated configuration. That's all there is to enabling or disabling hardware acceleration in Opera browser. You can return to the system settings at any time if you decide to switch the feature back on or off based on your browsing experience or your computer's performance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,